Good morning! Today is a long farm day. The air feels so fresh. I love this quiet path.
Good morning. You are early today.
Good morning. Yes, I wanted to start early.
We have a lot of work today.
The wind is moving the grass like waves. I should stay focused. Don't be distracted, just work. Okay, deep breath.
Hello, cows. Are you awake? You look so calm today. I wish I could be that calm. The barn looks busy already.
Please bring some water buckets.
Yes, I will bring them now. They are heavier than I thought. My arms are already tired. But I can do it. The sun is rising higher now. It's getting warmer. I like this golden light. Everything looks alive. Even the soil smells strong today. It's time to clean the barn now. I need to remove the old straw first. A clean barn makes the animals happy. Hello, little chickens. You are so noisy this morning. Are you hungry? I will bring food soon. Don't run away from me. Eat slowly, little ones. There is food for everyone. You are always hungry in the morning. You look so cute when you run around. Okay, eat well and grow strong. Hello, sheep. Stay together, please. Don't go too far. The grass is everywhere anyway. You look so fluffy today. I feel like talking to you all day. It's time to collect the eggs now. The hens are sitting quietly today. Oh, there are fresh eggs here. I will carry them carefully.
We need to fix the fence.
Okay, the fence looks broken here.
Be careful, it's sharp.
I hope I don't get hurt.
Strange feeling, but nice. The cows are moving slowly. Everything feels peaceful. I wish I could stay like this forever. No stress, just farm life.
I think I'm a little tired.
Take a little rest.
Thank you.
My legs feel weak. Sitting here feels nice. Birds are flying again. I hear them everywhere. Nature is so loud in a quiet way. Almost done for today. I feel tired but happy. The farm looks beautiful now. Everything worked out fine. I did my best. The sun is going down slowly. What a long day. But I survived it. I feel proud of myself, even if I was nervous at first. I learned a lot today. Farm life is not easy, but it's beautiful. Tomorrow will be another day. I will come back stronger. Thank you, farm. Good night. Golden fields beneath the sky. Soft winds sing as birds fly by. After a long and peaceful day, good night, dear farm.